The Klyuchevskoy volcano on Russia's Kamchatka peninsula began erupting after Wednesday's powerful earthquake in the Pacific. The camera installed at the seismic station of the Kamchatka branch of the Federal Research Center of Geophysical Surveys of the Russian Academy of Sciences captured the start of eruption. Located around 450 kilometers, 280 miles, north of the regional capital, Petropavlovsk-Kamchatsky, Klyuchevskoy is one of the highest volcanoes in the world. It has erupted several times in recent years. Wednesday's 8.8 magnitude quake off Kamchatka damaged buildings and injured several people in the remote Russian region, but no fatalities were reported.